Hey Annie.
Ugh. It's you again, do not talk to me.
Well, why not?
You know why you had Dylan break up with me for Samantha Green.
Samantha Green? What exactly did Dylan tell you?
He said Brad don't want you anymore, he told me to end it for you guys.
I never said that.
Well, according to Dylan you did. And why did Sean come to my house to pick up his so-called books?
Well, I'm sorry if he got you all upset, but I never said anything. And what was Sean doing at your house?
Okay, I'm sorry. I just was so devastated that I had fake plastic surgery done. And then I got it changed back. I did it because I thought it would make you want me back. And I just all